Hello. Thanks for coming. I have a magic eraser, and I have a SUPERPET. And, as I said, I'm just going to try to give this one side a swoop, or two, or three, with the magic, oh yeah, things are happening, with the magic eraser to see, are these marks permanent, or are they just the accumulation of the dust of time. I see kind of a dark mark here. It is not coming off, but the rest of it is coming out quite nicely. Yeah, there's a spot here. Oh, well, it's gone. Oh, there's the spot. Looks like a scratch. Not much you can do about scratches, but overall, it looks a whole bunch better. I'm not going to do the whole front. I don't think you can see that very well, but if you can see, there is sawdust and stuff over the front of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the magic eraser, I'm going to run it down here. Okay, now it picked up some stuff, it left some residue, because there's a lot of stuff here. So I'll do that again. And I'll turn it over, and I'll do that again. And as I think you can see, it does make a remarkable difference. Now, once the magic eraser gets sort of saturated with the dirt, it kind of stops picking up the dirt. But I guess the last thing I would like to do before I rinse this is run it down the front of this machine. You got to be careful because these stickers, they're even almost abrasive, and they can kind of take the magic eraser apart. But considering all things, I think eventually this machine is going to clean up quite nicely. And this magic eraser is now filthy as can be. But what you do with the magic eraser, I didn't bring a bowl of water, is you rinse it. And you squeeze it, and you rinse it, and you squeeze it, you rinse it, and you squeeze it, and then you come back and do it again. So, in just those few moments, this side, sorry, I have got fingerprints on it. Well, I don't think it's making anything any better right now because it's filthy. But this side is now mighty white and mighty pretty. And this in front of the keyboard, it's not perfect because I have to do more of it, but it's really coming up nicely. So don't forget, a magic eraser or some equivalent can take an ugly machine and turn it, yes, I will say it, beautiful. It's beautiful. It is. Anyway, I will keep on puttering on this, and we will meet again. So thanks for coming as the various discoveries, explorations, and cleaning carry on. Thank you again for coming. Bye for now.